4 billion years ago, Earth was a molten inferno. Today, it teems with life. But the planet's story is far from over. In the distant future, a series of cataclysmic events, driven by geology, climate, and the very star we orbit, may render this world uninhabitable for complex life. The question is, how close are we to this turning point? According to a groundbreaking study from the University of Bristol, published in Nature Geoscience, Earth's continents are on a slow-motion collision course. Over the next 250 million years, tectonic forces will fuse them into a supercontinent dubbed Pangaea Ultima. But this geological rebirth comes with a deadly price. As plates converge, magma rises. Volcanic activity surges, spewing carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. The result? A runaway greenhouse effect, global temperatures soaring to 40 to 50 degrees Celsius, 104 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Mammals, birds, and even many reptiles would perish in this furnace. In this vision of the future, volcanoes don't just erupt, they dominate. Simulations suggest that massive outpourings of lava could trap heat like a suffocating blanket. The oceans warm, ice vanishes. Complex life clings to survival, asphyxiated by a toxic cocktail of heat and gas. But the crisis doesn't end with heat. After millennia of infernos, the planet lurches into a second disaster. Volcanic eruptions cease, ash clears. The sun's rays, now unfiltered, trigger a paradoxical freeze. Ischemic necrosis, as courts call it. A biological heart attack for the planet.
This seesaw between fire and ice isn't just theory. We've seen similar patterns in Earth's past. The Permian-Triassic extinction, 252 million years ago, killed 90% of species. Nature recovers, but not for every life form.
Yet, the 250 million year timetable isn't the end of Earth's long goodbye. A more certain and slower fate awaits. The sun, aging and swelling, will brighten by 10%. Oceans will boil away in a moist greenhouse effect. The carbon cycle, our planet's thermostat, will collapse. Without plants to consume CO2, food chains will crumble. In 600 million to 1.6 billion years, even photosynthesis may die. And when the sun becomes a red giant in 5 to 7.5 billion years, Earth itself may be devoured. Predicting such distant events is like reading tea leaves. Tectonic movements, volcanic triggers, climate feedbacks, we're working with incomplete data. Some models envision a slower decline, extending Earth's habitability to 1 to 2 billion years. Nature doesn't follow scripts. The Bristol study is compelling, but geology isn't a clock, it's a chaotic system. Could 250 million years matter? Absolutely, but we must tread carefully between alarm and nuance. For us, the message is humbling. Though our civilizations rise and fall in a blink of geologic time, we are tied to this planet's fate. Yet if consciousness and existence are more than biology, if they're part of a deeper cosmic journey, then Earth's demise may not spell an end. Our time here is finite, but within that finiteness lies responsibility. To protect life, cherish connection, and seek understanding, not just for the future, but for the present. After all, the voyage of awareness begins now.
Earth's story is written in stone, fire, and time. And while we may one day vanish from this world, for now, we are the stewards of its wonders and the keepers of its story.